this is Kevin Nash. Give a shout out to DJ Delz.
Yes, sir. Too sweet.
I'm an addict for sneakers.
Sneaker addicts, what's good? It's your boy DJ Delz. We have got sent to us courtesy of WWE the new collaboration they have with Chalkline. Now they released a whole bunch of sneakers. They have an Ultimate Warrior one, they have a Shawn Michaels one, and the one that I really wanted, because to me my favorite faction when it comes to WWE, WCW, is these NWO sneakers. Huge fan of NWO, and I definitely wanted these right here. So I'm gonna give you a close-up look, and then I'll show you them on feet, and I will link these in the description box below, along with just the site in general. Check it out. They got tons of awesome t-shirts. I love their retro tees. I'm wearing their Heart Foundation t-shirt right now. Just recently got into the Hall of Fame, and just, you know, one of the best, if not the best tag teams ever, man. The Heart Foundation, come on. But definitely the best faction ever in WWE has got to be the NWO for life. Let's get up close. Alright, so here we go with a detailed look at these NWO WWE Chalkline sneakers. On the upper, you have a complete canvas upper with your NWO printing. And, I mean, that logo is so iconic. The greatest faction. I said it already once. I'll probably say it 3-4 more times. The greatest faction ever, the NWO. You've got your white midsole, gum outsole with your traction, herringbone traction. So look at your toe. There's a look at the back of the sneaker. Definitely feel like the silhouette is appropriate for the NWO. This silhouette right here. You think about, you know, Scott Hall, Kevin Nash, Hulk Hogan, Hollywood Hulk Hogan. I could see them wearing these. So I like the actual silhouette that they picked for this shoe right here. Kevin Nash is a sneaker dude. He actually interviewed him multiple times on my sneaker channel, Talking Sneakers. Definitely check it out. I'll probably put a little bonus clip of me and Kevin Nash in the beginning of this video. You probably already seen it, but yeah, Kevin Nash, a big sneakerhead dude. Even Hulk Hogan, I've seen him wearing the Jordan 3s. I'm gonna give you an on foot look. I don't know how these fit, so we'll find out together. Let's actually do that right now. All right, so here we go with a look on feet. As far as the fit, true to size, you should be good going true to size on these. Let me know what you think of them. Leave it in the comment box below. I think if you're a wrestling fan, NWO fan, I think you're gonna love these. And I definitely, once again, recommend if you have like a wide foot, even true to size, because they do fit a little long, but the thing is they fit narrow. They fit like Chucks. So that's the best way to describe the fitting on these. Let me know your favorite NWO moment. Your favorite NWO member. Would love to know all of that. Thanks so much for watching, and let me hit you with that infamous burp 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 bird's eye view. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave your comments. Let me know who is your favorite member of the NWO. Also, I will be giving away a bunch of pairs of these. To enter, all you gotta do is subscribe, leave a comment, and thumbs up this video. And I have a way of tracking all that, because I'm gonna put the link of the video on a website, and it randomizes and gathers all that information. So you gotta do all three. You gotta make sure you're subscribed, you hit the thumbs up button, and you also, major key, you also leave your comment. You gotta leave a comment. Write something. I love wrestling. Make sure you leave a comment. It's very important you leave a comment. Thanks for tuning in. Much love out there, and we out.